equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a clean workspace. Gather your tools, a small screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. First, power off your Asus K3605Z and unplug it. Remove the back panel using the screwdriver. Be careful with the screws. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, visually inspect the internal components. Look for any signs of damage or dust buildup. Use the compressed air to gently clean the fans and vents. This helps maintain optimal performance. Next, check the warranty sticker. It's usually located near the battery or on the back panel. If the sticker is intact, your warranty is likely still valid. For a professional diagnosis without obligation, consider our services. We offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Remember, no calls, no travel. You can get a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. After your inspection, reattach the back panel and secure it with the screws. Your Asus K3605Z is now ready for use. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.